Hey there! Welcome back to our Python series. I'm so excited to dive into another chapter with you today. Before we begin, have you practiced your slicing? It's important to keep those basics sharp as we move forward. Today we're mastering modify strings. Why is this important? Because real-world data is often messy and inconsistent. Think about user registration forms. People type names in all sorts of ways, lowercase, uppercase, or with extra spaces. Our goal today is to learn the 5 essential methods Python provides to clean and standardize your text data effortlessly. Let's start with the upper method. It's used when you want to convert every character in a string to uppercase. The upper method changes the case of your entire string instantly. It's that simple. Perfect for standardizing user input. Just as easily, we can do the opposite. The lower method converts every character to lowercase. The lower method converts every character to lowercase. By calling lower, we ensure that even if the original text was mixed, the result is consistent and in lowercase. Next is one of my favorites, the strip method. This is essential for removing white space, those extra spaces at the ends. One simple function call and those extra spaces are gone. Clean, simple, and very effective for data cleaning. What if you need to change a specific word? The replace method scans your string and swaps one part for another. It replaces every single instance of your target text with the new string you've defined. A huge time saver. Finally, let's look at split. This method breaks a string into smaller pieces, which Python then stores in a list. It's incredibly useful for processing CSV data or breaking sentences into individual words. A must-know for any developer. Now it's your turn to be the developer. Open PyCharm on your computer. I have a special challenge for you. Create a string with extra spaces and lowercase letters. Then, use both strip and upper to clean it. I'll wait 10 seconds. I will wait for you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Chaining methods is a pro move. You've got a clean uppercase string now. Great job. Consistency is key to mastering Python. You've made great progress today. Modifying strings is a foundational skill that you'll use in almost every Python project. Don't stop here. Go back, practice the previous chapters, and try to combine these methods in your own free time. Next time, we'll learn all about string concatenation. Subscribe to our channel and leave your feedback below. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.